all-new Audi RS3 by MTM. Look, it's sitting so low, just look at that, almost touching the ground. Listen up to this. Hello guys, I am Mr. Automotive, and today it's finally time to welcome you with this. Right in front of us we have the all new 2024 model Audi RS3, but as you can already see, it's not a normal one. Right in front of us we have the all new Audi RS3 by MTM. This thing is fully tuned, stage 3. We have a lot of things that I have to show you, so join me in today's video. I'll be giving you a full tour of the exterior. Afterwards we'll check out the special interior, and then last but not least we'll be listening to the sound. First things first, we are right now here at the Continental Tuning Days in Papenburg at the testing facilities where they will do the Papenburg 3000 run. It will be driving 3000 meters and then measuring the speed, and whoever is the fastest will win. And MTM is coming here with their Audi RS3, the latest model. This being the stage 3 tuned. I mean, with the Audi RS3 we are normally talking about 400 horsepower, but with this one we are already talking about 653 horsepower and 480 kilowatts. We have 750 newton meters of torque and do the 0 to 100 sprint, listen up, in 3.2 seconds. It's so much faster than the stock car. 100 to 200 kph in 6.4 seconds. Imagine. VMAX is at 320 kph, and as I mentioned, is a stage 3 tuning by MTM. I mean, we have a lot of new things, new turbochargers, downpipes, a lot of things that I have to show you. So let's get on and let's start with the walk around and the exterior in specific, with a gorgeous exterior paint. We have a nice blue tone here, and in addition to that we have a lot of golden details and stripes all over the car. Starting with the front, we have the RS3 specific face. This here, also modified by MTM, is coming with this additional front lip here, finished in carbon fiber, and the carbon fiber side details here also with the gold finish, especially here on the bonnet. Finished in gold is so nice. The grille here in the front is full finished in black, already comes from factory like that. The RS3 badge as well. And all in all, the car looks so nice. I really love the look of the RS3, and the MTM here in specific looks absolutely gorgeous. As soon as you look onto the side, you can see that the car is super low sitting because we have a change on the suspension here. Also the wheels are different. We have MTM wheels here. These are the Nardo wheels, I think 19 inches. They need these for the run for today, but normally they go with 20 inches if I'm not mistaken. Also golden wheels to match with the details. Let me just give you a closer look on the wheels for a second. Here you can see 19 inches MTM wheels with the Audi ceramic brakes here in the back for black finish. On the side, 653 details, the MTM badge here. Also here on the side, it looks pretty nice. Everything finished in black to match the look. It's sitting so low, just look at that, almost touching the ground. I really love the lines and the entire look of the RS3. But now let me also show you the rear of the car, because this is even more special. Here in the back you can see the entire setup here with Continental, with Brabus for example. We have a lot of tuners attending this event, and they're already preparing for the run in a few hours. This car will be also driving, can't wait to see that. Back to the car, as you can see here with the rear, we have a lot of additional details and highlights which I have to show you. First things first, we have a few carbon fiber parts here by MTM, additional full carbon fiber parts, really cool here on the rear spoiler. We have this golden trim here, full black gloss finish on the Audi rings, the MTM badge here as well. Looking at the diffuser, full carbon fiber finish here as well. We have the MTM specific exhaust. The car is so much more louder, and the sound in specific is just absolutely nice. So how do you guys like the look of the RS3 by MTM? I really like it, can't get enough of it. We'll be listening to the sound in a minute, but before we do that, let me just show you the inside of this as well. And here we go. So we are now right inside the all new RS3 here, 2024 model by MTM. At this point, guys, as I mentioned, we are about to start with the first run and with this car driving in specific. So we have a lot of measuring tools for the speed and also cameras or whatever. So all in all, please just excuse the look of the car. It's not perfect. It's just literally being prepared for the run. Let me just show you the seats here. We have the RS3 specific seats, the RS3R badge here by MTM also on the headrest. We have these details all around, also on the headrest here in the back, looking super special. The MTM specific floor mats, and all in all, in the inside there are not a lot of changes when you compare it with the stock car. So how do you guys like it? We'll be listening to the sound now in a bit. I have to tell you, it's so nice. Okay, so here we go. We will be now starting up the car. Please excuse, there's a GoPro, as I mentioned. I can't just put them away because they will be starting with the runs in a few minutes. We'll be putting the windows down for you. So now the exhaust is actually on. I just switched the car from comfort to dynamic. Listen up to this. The car sound from the outside is way better, so let's just jump outside. Let me just give you a closer look on this as well. Okay, so now we will be listening to the sound of the MTM RS3 from the outside as well. The car is set. We'll be starting it up in comfort and then we'll be set into dynamic to open up the exhaust. 3, 2, 1, let's get it on. Great sound. How do you guys like the sound of the MTM RS3? Please share it in the comment section below. Rate it from 1 to 10. At this point, special thanks to MTM for letting us film their car. Can't wait for the first runs here with Continental. Also special thanks to them. Already looking forward to see you all again and wish you guys an amazing day. I will be back.